Do you remember when riding your bike was so much fun? You got such a thrill and you just felt independent and free, even though you were a kid. Don't you want to get that feeling back again? I do. And thanks to our book club selection this month, there's a way for us to do that. This book is our third book club selection for Unleashing Alicia's book club. It's called Einstein and the Art of Mindful Cycling, Achieving Balance in the Modern World by Ben Irvine. I encourage you to buy this book, read it. It's very short. Well, not very short, 135 pages, but, a quick read. It is something that may change your life. Sorry about my finger in the way. I really have the desire to ride bikes again. I used to ride my bike as a child and kind of left that behind once I was about, 11 and a half or so. And just the freedom that I used to feel when riding my bike, it was just mind-blowing to me as a child. And all I was really doing was riding the bike in my grandmother's yard. And she had a huge yard, by the way, so... But it just made me feel like I had a sense of independence like no other. And children love that. Adults love it too. And it gives you so many ideas, so many points of inspiration come to you while riding a bike. In modern times, Prince, the amazing genius that we just lost, it'll be a month ago tomorrow, on April 21st, he was an avid bicyclist. So if people like Einstein and Prince, who most of us can agree were geniuses, if those people rode bikes, and if geniuses among us who are still living are riding bikes, shouldn't we ride a bike? It may help us solve a lot of problems in our lives. I make no guarantees, but, I digress. Pick up the book, read it. As I've said on the other two book club selections, I get nothing from this. These are just books that I've enjoyed reading that I want to share. Two things I want to do. I want to get America cycling again, and I want to get America reading again. So this is combining the two. My book club review, I'm going to delay. I'm giving us all until June 30th because it would be so wonderful for those of us who do not have bicycles to be able to budget and purchase a bicycle and all the accoutrements that we may need, like helmets, elbow pads, knee pads, and start cycling again. So I want to give us enough of an opportunity to do that before doing this review. I do know a couple of people who are intense cyclists, so I may have a surprise for you during that review. I'm planning to do something a little bit different. Not sure quite how that review is going to be, but I think the majority of you will enjoy it. So, June 30th, the date that my book review will be due here on this channel, and I want to hear from you guys. I want to know who has picked up cycling again, and more importantly, equally as importantly, who has started reading again. I know this is only the third selection in, but who out there is watching less television and being programmed by that, and is doing some things like getting outside, getting fresh air, riding a bike, going on a Sunday drive with your windows down, something. We need to do something other than what we're doing in order to get our freedom back, personal freedom I'm talking about, in order to get our sense of energy flowing and going, and to have our own thought processes. So, see you June 30th as far as the book goes. Thanks.